And today we're going to have a winner that's actually going to win this nice little truck from HAIBOXING. Okay, real quick, we're going to do the draw for the HAIBOXING racing 4x4 truck from HAIBOXING. This truck you can find on Amazon.ca and .com, and it's US. It's actually $199. Canadian, it's about $125. Very fun little truck. So we're gonna do the draw. So we have a bunch of names here. Let's see who's gonna win the truck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 names in here. Okay, I got a name. And it is Jason McNeil.
Hey. Thank you.
You can take it out and run it if you want.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Thank you, Francois.
Thank you very much. I'd shake your hand, but because of COVID, we can't. Enjoy the little truck. It's a fun little truck. Thank you. So, yeah, we took the jump out, but we could put another one on.
Snappy little truck.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Oh, my niece is gonna have fun with this.
That's not bad.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see, pull off a wheelie here.
What do you think of it?
That's a good little starter truck for sure. I don't think it's too fast, so if you do hit something, it shouldn't break.
You can actually reduce the speed. There is a throttle trim on the remote. And when I actually, right here, when I did the review on it, I actually had it in the middle. So right now it's full blast. So for a brush system, it's nice.
It's a perfect entry. Yeah, it's a good little entry truck for sure. 2 batteries. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it comes with 2 LiPo batteries. And the LEDs actually come in front also.
One holder, one battery holder?
He's trying to go in the middle. Yeah, 1 battery holder, yeah.
It would probably work against itself with the extra weight.
Yeah, that's it. And I'm sure it runs long enough on 1 battery.
Yeah.
That's be the perfect little truck from the ground out.
You want to give it a shot there, Greg?
Should set up a little jump.
Don't work good. Jumps don't work good.
Let's try it out. Might be the truck.
Hey there, buddy. Oh. Jump's pretty good too.
Very balanced. It's a bit of a drag brake, so it will nosedive if you let off the gas.
Okay.
So you have to stay on the gas a bit. Just like that.
The self-riding mechanism kicked in.
Nice. Thank you. Cool.
Have a good one.
I think you got a happy guy there.
That's awesome, Francois. Enjoy as well. Yep, my niece is going to be happy.
Cool. It's going to a niece. How old is she?
She's 7 years old.
7-year-old. She's going to enjoy that.
Your first basher. She's got a little Gen 7 right now.
Oh, yeah?
Time to speed it up a bit.
My 7-year-old granddaughter.